How to use Perplexity AI. Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. Perplexity is a generative AI that uses ChatGPT and adds search engine functions. It analyzes the content on internet on a particular topic and generates its own answer based on different sources. So basically, everything you search for with this AI will be able to give you sources from where it has taken this information. So you'll just go to the website Perplexity AI, and as you can see, it's quite easy and intuitive to use. You'll be able to register in order to access the library, but you will also be able to use it without registering. So you can simply start a new thread at the top left corner, or just start in the middle of the screen. On the Discover screen, you will be able to find some searches that other people have done on trend topics. Now, if you go back to Home, you'll be able to type right here, and let's type this question and go to the arrow on the right side. As you can see, the question can be asked in your preference language. It will throw some sources like web pages where there is information about it, and here you'll see the answer that the application will give you. It will sum up all the information it has found. These little numbers are the sources from it have taken this information, and at the bottom you can use this option called copilot, which is the best way to answer difficult questions. In this case, as it is a direct question, this information is more than enough. But you can try to use it. Then you can also mark the answer as not suitable, and you'll be able to see the sources, copy this answer, and edit it as well. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can see some related questions, or you can just go to this box to continue the thread if you need to know more information. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.